Hello, my people. It's your boy Emperor. I am here again with another wonderful editing tip. So feel free to ride along with me. Today, I'll be showing us on how to edit or on how to take away unwanted background from your photos. Now, if you take a photo in a place that you truly don't like the background, you can take away that background and insert the exact background you want. How can you do it? You don't need to stress yourself. All you just need to do is to go straight to your capcut, edit it, which I will show you how to do it. So if you already have a photo that you took, and because of the background wey take the photo, because of that you don't like the photo, now don't delete that photo. I repeat it, don't delete the photo, because some of you may like the photo but the background make the photo look so local or look so bad in eyes. But I must tell you that there is a solution for everything. Now with capcut, you can be able to take away that unwanted background and give your photo the best background that you want. Now without waste of much time, let's dive into the main editing. Now, before we proceed, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because that is the only way you can help me, and that is also the only way you can get more editing tips from this channel. So please do well to like every video you come across, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, Emperor Udo Tutorial Center. Okay guys, let's go there. Once again, you are welcome to my YouTube channel, Emperor Udo Tutorial Center. So today we are looking on how to take unwanted background from our photos. So all you need to do is to click on CapCut. In case you don't have CapCut, please rush down now to your Play Store or to your Apple Store and download CapCut. So after clicking on your CapCut, the next thing you need to do is to click on New Project. Yes. When you click on New Project, you click on Photo, because it is your photo you want to take away background. So now, before clicking on your photo, before selecting the photo you want to use, please don't forget, first of all, select the background you want to use, the background you want to turn your photo into. Select it first. Please don't make that mistake. Don't select your photo first, select your background first. Now let me use this background. Now I have selected the background I want to turn my photo into. When you select your background like this, the next thing to do is to click on add down here on your screen. You add it up. Now my background is ready. What should I do next? The next thing to do is to go and bring in that photo. How do you bring in your photo? All you need to do is to click on overlay. Now before you click on overlay, you will see edit, you will see audio, you will see text, you will see overlay, you will see effect, you will see caption. So what you need to do is to click on overlay. So when you click on overlay, you will see add overlay. I want to take it bit by bit, because I want you to understand this very well. So you see add overlay. So what you need to do is to click on it. So when you click on it, you look for the photo you want to change the background. So when you see the photo, you click on it. Let me use this one. So when you click on it, the next thing to do is to add it up. Now you can see my photo has appeared on the background. You can see my photo has appeared on the background. but yet this former background is still there. So what should I do? How should I take out this background? What you need to do is to scroll to your left, as you see me do. Scroll to your left and you see remove bg, which is remove background. So what you need to do is to click on it. After clicking on it, you will see auto remover, you will see custom remover, and you will see chroma key. All these things are tools used for editing, removing background. In some other video, I will teach you the usefulness of these tools. Is how to take unwanted background out from your photos. Now what you need to do next is click on auto remover. Now you see the magic. You see that the former background, the original background of this photo has been taken away. Now the photo is on a new background. Can you see it? Can you see that the former photo of this, the former background of this photo has been taken away? Now it's on a new background which I brought it. So now you can go ahead to make it big. You can go ahead to make it big. Now as you can see, so look at it. It is very easy and simple. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what you are waiting for. You have to follow those that know road. They say follow who know road. You see how I did this editing now, how I took the former background and then insert a new background on the photo. So why are you deleting your photos when you have me? So what you just need to do, those photos that you love so much and you feel like, this photo is too beautiful but the background makes no sense, just come in here. Now for those of you that don't know how to get background, you can go to Chrome. You go to Chrome, you search for office background 4K, office background 4K. It will bring out different kinds of background. You can go ahead and select or download any of the ones you want. So this is this. You can see how this photo is now. So mind you, if your background, maybe you want to do some adjustment, you can also highlight, click on your background, highlight it, you can move it. You can move your background anywhere you want to move it to. Anywhere you want to move it, you can move it. So that is it. Same as your photo, you can move it, you can place it here, you can place it here. Anywhere you want to put it, you can put it. So we have come to the end of this section. Please do well to like, comment and share this video to more people. And mostly, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In fact, after watching this video, go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification bell to get notified each time I drop editing tips. Thank you. God bless you. Do have a nice day. Bye.